Hello, good morning students. Last week we were studying all about glass, correct or not? We studied about the properties of glass. In properties of glass, what did we study? We studied about the special properties of glass. First property is what? Glass is transparent. If you look through the glass, you can see it as it is. If you want to see anything outside, you can see easily. So glass is transparent, okay. It is brittle. Brittle means what? It breaks easily, or it can take shape of any container, or it can take shape of any mold when it is heated. When we heat it and then pour it into any mold, or if you pour it in any container, it takes shape of that container, okay. That is second property of the glass. Next it is told that is glass has no effect on food. If you will keep any food, or if you will store food in glass, it will not have any effect on food. But on the contrary, if we will keep food in plastic bowls, or if we will keep food in what we call some other plastic bags, you can say, or plastic bowls, what will happen? There will be effect of that plastic. It will affect little bit to the food. Understood? And that you will not realize what it has affected the food, but it affects. And so it is told that we should not drink water in plastic bottles, we should not bring hot food in plastic tiffins. Why? Because plastic melts, and when it melts, it gets mixed up. Some particles of plastic will get mixed up with food, and such condition is not with glass. Glass does not have any effect on food. This is third property of the glass. Fourth property about glass is told that it does not impart smell. If you will go and take smell of glass, never it imparts smell. It does not get stain also. You will say, no, there are so many, we have window pans at home and our windows are becoming dirty. That is because of us, because we people use it, we touch them. When we touch them, then it gets stain, okay. But naturally, when glass is clean, it does not get stains automatically. These are some properties which we studied about glass. Today we are going to study about stained glass. What we are going to study today? We are going to study today about stained glass. What do you understand by stained glass? Here one short paragraph is given. Here it is told that colored glass is used to make beautiful pictures, especially in window pans. Such windows are known as stained glass windows. What they are called? Stained glass windows. And you see such type of windows in churches. If you will go in church at Goa, correct, Mumbai, there you will see the window pans of all churches will be colored. They will look very colorful. There are chapels, okay. Christian community has chapels. The windows of chapels are also colored. Why? Because it looks beautiful, and it is speciality of the temple, okay. It is the speciality of church that window pans of the churches are colored. They are stained. Stained means what? Color is painted on the windows. They are seen mostly in churches, that I just now told you. Colored glass can also be used to make beautiful sculptures or decorative articles. It is also possible to paint on glass using special chemicals and processes. Now, if you have a vase, of a glass, vase means what? What do you understand by vase? Vase in simple language we call it flower pot, okay, and in exact English it is called vase. And if the vase is made of glass, you can decorate it. What you can do? You can decorate it with various designs with the help of chemicals, and that chemical does not come out. It is permanent chemical. When you will keep on using it again and again and clean it again and again, at that time what it will become? It will become little faint. But the color or the painting which is done on the stained glass does not gets removed, or we cannot remove it. Okay, it does not vanish, it remains as it is, because those colors are permanent colors, and such type of glasses are called stained glass windows. Such type of windows, mainly windows are colored. Okay, so those windows are called what? Stained glass windows. What they are called? Stained glass windows. What do you understand by word stained? Stained means some stainers are put in the white color or in colors to make it different colors. Correct? For example, I told you amber is a color, turquoise is a color, violet is a color, blue is color. Now I am telling you colors of glasses. Okay? Turquoise, amber, ruby red, orange, come on, tell. Already we have studied last week. Deep yellow, purple, deep yellow, purple, amethyst. Amethyst is color, which color? Amethyst is the combination of red and purple color. Amethyst is combination of red and purple. When you will do mixture, or when you will mix red and purple color together, it will become what? It will become amethyst. Okay. Now turquoise color, how you will get turquoise color? Turquoise color you will get by mixing blue and green color. When you will mix blue and green color, then you will get which color? You will get turquoise. Understood? And I have told you about other colors also. Ruby red, in that ruby red, little red and pink color you have to mix, then it becomes ruby red. Amber, yellow and orange. Yellow and orange color. When you will mix yellow and orange color together, it will turn to amber. And these are all colors of glass. You can color glasses with the help of this all colors. Mixture of two colors will make windows colorful of the churches. Okay. Next, last point of the lesson is glass can be recycled. What do you understand by the word recycled? Recycled means processing is done on the glass. Once the glass becomes old, you can sell that glass, and when you will sell that glass, the old glasses which are collected together, that are taken to the recycle bins, or you can say they are taken to recycle factories. Correct or not? Recycling processes, there are machineries where recycling of glass is done, and from old glass new glasses are made. Yes, there is a short paragraph given about glass can be recycled. Another unique feature of glass is that it is 100% recyclable. Old glass can be used to make new glass any number of times. Let the glass be of 10 years or 12 years or 15 years, it can be recycled. How much percent it can be recycled? 100% it can be recycled. Recycling glass in this manner is much cheaper than making new glass from raw material. Now, when you will take sand, I told you, you have to take white sand, you have to add in that lime, in that you have to add soda, then you have to heat it for long time, and then when you will heat it and when it will turn into liquid, then it will take shapes of various material, or you have to pour it into various molds, and when you will pour it into various molds, what will happen? It will turn to various different types of glasses. Some will be what we call, some will be show pieces which are kept in the house, some will be window pans, so some glass can be made of what we call light bulbs, tubes. These are all what? These are all glasses which are made from process. And here it is told that when we do recycling of old glass, that is much easier and it is simple also. Instead of making glass from raw material, white sand, bring lime, bring soda. When you will mix that all things, it will take long time, it will take more time for process. But if you will recycle old glass, it is little easier. Okay. So here it is told that it requires much less heat and lot of energy is saved. If you recycle even a single glass bottle, you save enough energy to power a color TV for about 20 minutes. So the next time you throw away a glass bottle, think glass is valuable. There are so many things, we have so many show pieces of glass. If they break, what we do? We throw them. So, but here it is told that instead of throwing them, what we should do? They are very much valuable. We should store them in one bag, or you should store them in one place, and after storing them in one place, what we can do? We can sell it to recycling factories. Understood? Why? Because it requires more energy. More electric energy is required to make new glass. Instead of that, if we will recycle old glass, it will require less power energy or less energy of power. Understood? Have you understood lesson? Have you understood properties of glass? How glass is made? How glass is shaped? Then we studied today how glass is recycled. 100% of glass is recycled. In this way we have completed lesson. Tomorrow we are going to complete question answers of the lesson. Okay. I think you have understood lesson. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Thank you and have a nice day.